Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Seems like every time I sit down to do a video, I have some type of audio issues. Hopefully today I solved it by plugging my USB sound card into a 2.0 USB port. It seems to be working fine now without any issues. I thought the 3.0 slot's supposed to be backwards compatible. I don't know what's going on, or it's something else, or is it compatibility issues with Windows 11? I don't know. But I didn't start having any problems until I started using Windows 11. But I digress. Today we will be taking a look at this unnamed V-mount battery. Now let's step up our camera game. Like I mentioned in the intro, there's no indication of what manufacturer made this battery. Only thing it said there's a lithium-ion battery for video cameras, and it gives you some don'ts. It's a professional info battery, BP 160. It's a 14.8 volt battery. Also, it's 154 watt hours. It says, like I said, polymer lithium ion battery pack made in China. No other information is given. It doesn't even come with an instruction manual. You have nothing on top of the battery. On the bottom, you have the standard V mount, power mount. The left side of the battery, you have an indicator of how charged the battery is. Right now, it's at full, and it goes in 25% increments. Here you have the V mount itself. It pretty much goes to any V mount plate. Here again, like I said, it's the V mount power adapter that adapts to the plate. And on this side of the battery, we have a 5-volt USB and a D-tap port here. If I could get this off, standard D-point port. Battery fully charged, approximately 16.5 volts from this D-tap. But the USB always gonna be 5 volts out. It also comes with this charger. Also has no name on it. But where I bought it from, I will put a link in the description just in case you might want to pick this up. Why I picked this up on Amazon. This also has no manufacturer name. Also made in China, but it does have a model number, which is LBC-1C. Lithium battery charger. This one claims to charge at 5 amps over D-tap, making it much faster than most batteries. That what it states in the ad where I bought it. So I may make a follow-up video just to let you know how it working out with the battery is. If I get enough if I get more than, let's say, 25 likes on this video, I'll make a follow-up video letting you know how it works out for me. Because I only got this battery to power my Ninja 5 and my DSR Panasonic G7. That's all it's gonna be powering. Is just those two items. Maybe sometime some microphones and wireless mics or a field recorder, but mostly just the G7 and the Ninja 5. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.